Hi guys, it's Patrick here, PatrickB. It's with regards to the bad sound that I'm getting from my WT800. Dan and Armin asked me to post the sound that I'm getting from my amp, so I'm going to do that. I'm attaching it via YouTube, so you can just click on it and hear it. Please note that all the EQs are all just level. In other words, they're zeroed out. My gain is optimum, which means it's just touching green to get the optimum sound, and my master is just up a wee bit, about a third of the way. What else can I say? Yes, the valves, I mean the tubes, I come from Ireland, sorry, the tube has been all changed out. I did do the modification on the 390 ohm heat resistors. I thought that was a good idea to mount them to the chassis and get the heat sink ones. I thought that was a great idea. I've also replaced, as I said, all the capacitors in there, the 40 capacitors in there. What else can I say? I've cleaned out, as Dan asked me to do, all the inputs to the back, and checked them all out because they were never ever used, and that was an excellent point you brought up. So I cleaned them all out, and what else? I think that's it. I've tried everything and I'm still getting this horrendous sound. Oh yes, notwithstanding the obvious questions, I have tried various bass guitars, my Nathan East signature bass, and my Marcus Miller, and the sound that you're hearing right now, that you will hear right now, is from the Marcus Miller bass. And again, the battery is perfect. It's brand new batteries in there, so it's not the bass. The leads are all perfect, and what can I say? I'm just stuck. I've resoldered any suspicious looking solder pits, and I treat my equipment like gold. So anyway, enough of that. Here's the sound, and if you can get back to me via our site, that would be wonderful, and I appreciate everybody's help, and I love Eden. Okay, thanks guys. So it's F sharp, B, G, A, now you'll notice if I play a bit harder, it gets a bit better.